What is up, YouTube? It's Profit Day Trader here, and today is another beginner's course on stock market terms. So in today's video, we're gonna go over what bull means and bear means. Again, this is a beginner series, so these terms might be familiar with you, but even if they're familiar, stick around because there might be a few things you may not understand on how you can use these to make money with it. So yeah, so let's dive right in. Okay, so the first one we're gonna go over is bull or bullish. Now you might have heard these terms before, but I want to explain to you why they can be very important, especially in day trading and really any stock trading that you decide to do. So bull or bullish. So that is pretty much and simply put, it is pretty much just a stock looks like it's going up. And now the bull market is pretty much most of the stocks are on the rise. So the reason why this is important is because as a day trader, most people decide which side they like to be on. Some people like to be bullish tendencies. Some people always looking for optimistic, looking for the stocks to go up. And some people stick on the bear side. They're hoping that the stocks go down. So usually you'll find yourself out when you start day trading of what you like. Now, I personally choose to be a bull. I'm always trying to buy and sell on the stocks going up. Nothing wrong with going to the other side. It's just that for me personally, I just find it, my nature is I want the stocks to always go up. So I think that's why, again, it's important to figure out yourself what you like to do. If you like to short stocks, I don't short much, but I know a lot of people that do make a lot of money off this, off shorting stocks. So again, that's personal preference. But the reason why it's so important is because understanding the direction of the market really helps put the trades in your favor. It's a lot harder to trade against the overall market. So I'm not saying you can't. There's definitely always opportunities, no matter what stock you choose. But typically, if it's a bullish market and you're trying to short stocks, your odds are just against you. You usually want to go with the sentiment of the stocks. You don't want to go usually against it. So yeah, bull and bear. If you're here bullish, just understand it. It just pretty much means it's optimistic. It means the stocks are optimistic. They're more likely to go up. So that's all it really means. So next we're going to go over what bear and bearish means. Okay, so now we have bear and bearish, which is literally the complete opposite of bull and bullish. All bear and bearish means is it's pessimistic. You think the stock's going to go down. You think the overall market is headed in a downward direction. So bear and bearish is literally just the inverse of bull and bearish. Bull and bullish, excuse me. So again, the reason why this is so important is if you log on, if you go on, you're about to go trade for the day, and you look at, whatever, you look at to reference your stocks, and you're seeing that the whole stock market is down. It's a bearish looking day. Understand, if you're going to decide to go long that day, just understand to be a little more careful, because when the overall market is looking to head downwards, just that you're putting the odds a little bit against you. The stock market is already hard enough. So if you have a stock that's on the bearish side, it's heading downwards, and you're trying to go long on some of those upticks, just understand the odds are going to be against you. So just understand that's why it's very important. And again, if you're confused at all what these terms mean, pretty much bearish is stocks going down, bullish is going up. So that's pretty simple. That's a short video today. I just wanted to make sure that if for those who didn't understand what it means, if you might have heard it, but you don't understand quite what it means, pretty simple. It's on the simple side of it, but just understand why it's important, because again, you do not usually want to go, I'm not saying you can't, and I've done it, I do it plenty of times, but the odds are in your favor if you're going on the same side of the market. So yeah, quick one today. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate your time, and I'll see you guys in the next one.